It's probably about to crap its pants.
They probably already has.
Yeah.
Yeah, scared.
Oh, that's really going to help it, Ashley.
I'm scared.
I think you got it scared a little bit more.
I'm scared.
There it is, right here.
It's under, oh, there it is.
It's underneath the.
It's underneath the treadmill.
It's underneath the...
I know. That's why I'm on top of it.
Raise the treadmill up, silly.
There it is! Shoot! Shoot him! Bow!
Hold on. Stop.
He's under the chair.
I think he was into there.
Stop.
I thought he was in the bag.
No, he went
No,
this
under
way.
the chair.
There he is. Hold on. Stop. He's over here.
Where are we?
There you go!
How are we gonna get him?
He's on the
Somebody
deer.
get a bag.
Don't let him out of the room. Don't let him out of the
Wait,
room.
no.
Come on.
Let him land.
Oh gosh.
He's over there.
Grab him.
Don't hit him. I need a bag.
Bang.
Ashley, both hands, honey, both hands.
Whoa! Hey,
Both
hey,
hands,
hey,
both
hey.
hands, both hands.
Don't hurt him. Don't hurt him. I can't go. There he is.
You got a corner. You got
Get him, Jennifer. Get him. Let me blind him with this light. Grab him, Ashley. He's under the thing. There he is. There he goes. Oh.
Wait.
Don't mash
You
him.
got a pig.
It's a bee.
Underneath.
Y'all are worried about the
There
bird
he is.
crap and Ashley's got a pig everywhere.
Right here, Ashley.
Wait, don't hit. Don't Philip, don't roll.
Don't roll. You'll roll over him.
Okay.
Philip, don't move.
Get that or Ashley. We're going to get him.
There he is,
There he is, right there.
Put it up above
In the flowers.
flowers.
Okay, hold on.
Grab him.
This way. Oh gosh.
Let's come back this way.
There he is.
Right there. Keep it over. Keep it up. High.
Oh my gosh.
He ain't going to fly in that bag.
Oh! In the
So
corner.
is the plan just to wear him out? No, baby. No.
Oh!
Did
Nice
you just
grab.
slide him and got him?
You got him?
He went,
Bagged him right there.
Bagged him in mid-flight.